something fun with broccoli today.
I saw this recipe online and thought it looked really fun. I've been wanting to try it and share how to make it with everyone. After trying it, I found this recipe is perfect for families to make together and would be great for parent-child activities. Friends who are interested are welcome to keep reading. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Yes, the ingredients are just broccoli and your favorite chips. Of course, also mayonnaise or your preferred salad dressing. As usual, same method. First, cut the broccoli into small florets and wash them thoroughly. Cut the broccoli into thin slices, but not too thin, just enough to make them stand upright. Steam the sliced broccoli first, or you can blanch it. Just go with your preferred method. Pour your favorite salad dressing into a bowl. This will be used for dipping the broccoli. Next, place the chips in a large bowl and crush them into crumbs. This process is so therapeutic. I'm using spicy chips personally. I really like this flavor. You should give it a try if you like momo.kitchen. Your no ads, just sharing. I enjoyed this process so much that I forgot to pat the broccoli dry first, doing that would make it easier to coat with the dressing. The steps are super simple. First, coat the broccoli thoroughly with salad dressing, then roll it in plenty of crushed chips and it's done. Since I forgot to dry my broccoli, it didn't coat as evenly with the salad dressing. It still got covered with crushed chips, though the result wasn't quite perfect. Just repeat these steps. So simple, right? The simple and fun golden chip-coated broccoli is all done. It looks so appealing. If you have time, you can arrange it nicely or serve it on a beautiful plate to make the eating experience even more atmospheric. This little green tree-like veggie actually holds 5 fantastic benefits. It acts like a tiny broom for your body. The dietary fiber gently sweeps away waste from your intestines, leaving you feeling light and comfortable after every bite. Second, it comes with built-in invisible armor, a substance called sulforaphane that quietly activates our body's defense system, like equipping cells with tiny shields. Third, it's perfect for night owls. Its vitamin C content is even higher than lemons. Eating a plate after staying up late feels like giving your skin a hydrating serum. Fourth, many fitness enthusiasts secretly munch on it. With only around 30 calories per 100 grams, the crispy texture is super stress-relieving, and it keeps you full for ages. Lastly, the most amazing part, its lutein acts like natural blue light blocking glasses for your eyes. People glued to screens all day will notice the difference instantly. See, this isn't just a vegetable, it's a little health guardian wearing a green skirt. Broccoli can even help fight cancer. It activates the defense shield. The sulforaphane inside it acts like an alarm system for our body's cells. The moment it detects abnormal cells, it triggers the cleanup process. Recent studies show broccoli compounds can cut off tumors' blood supply, starving bad cells into shrinking. Each crispy bite contains quercetin and camphorol, sweeping away cancer-causing free radicals like tiny brooms. Its unique glucosinolates provide protective film repair for damaged DNA at cellular level, preventing mutations. Boosts liver production of glutathione, installing a drain pump that flushes out carcinogens. So next time, say to it, go get them, my anti-cancer superhero. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.